Good morning. Today I'm working on creating schematics for like hotkeys in games. So we have our game PlinkIdle, and it's just click only, and now after many requests, we're slowly trying to add keyboard support and gamepad support. And I've never done this before, but it is fun. Unity doesn't make it too hard. And so I'll show you my first step is to design it in Figma. Like, we come up with a plan, we talk about it on Discord, and then we have a vague sense of what we want everything to be. And so with my Figma thing here, I have created a bunch of pixel art keys. As you can see, like, each one is like a little rectangle that I've put in place. Weirdly, it didn't take too long. Each of these is a variant of a component. So this is a keyboard key, and we have variants of small, medium, space, etc. So I'm using things like this for tab, enter, etc. And then we also have the states of used or unused. And so used is a white outline, it's brighter, and then the unused is gray. And so when I built the keyboard, it went really quickly. I'm just using layout groups. And so this is using an auto layout. It was pretty simple. You can, auto layouts are great. You can just drag stuff around and it stays in that nice grid. And right now we have a new hotkey that I need to add. So in order to make this accurate in the game, I'll have to make the changes, export the image again, and then send it off to Unity. So we will do that. I will say shift is used and shift is used. So now those are active, and then what we're going to call this is gold coin collect. And then we will take this little thing, I just copy paste, drag it down, and there we go. And then we want another one on the other side. Gold coin collect. Let's see if we can, oops, my alarm's going off. Stop alarm. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Okay, and that would go off the frame, so we're actually just going to leave that. We'll do it on this side too. Okay. Okay. And so as you see, I've scaled this up. So when I built the keyboard, it was in a really small resolution, but when I imported it into Unity, it looked very fuzzy. So I've scaled it up significantly. And that's all fine. And then for the gamepad, I actually don't know. Oh, I think it's, oh shoot. I think I have to decide what it's going to be. And I think what I want it to be is the X button, but I'm not sure. And so we can buy by selecting a thing and then hitting enter. So I think instead of buy, this is going to be gold coin collect. And now we'll have to rejigger everything because there's no space. So we'll make these go up a little. We'll make this go over. So I do these by just dragging the points over. That's fun. It's not sustainable. It's not the best way to do it. Okay. Then we'll move this over. And we hit enter so that we can do this mode. And then just a basic thing there. And then I want to hit those, like, once you get those red lines, it means it's snapped into place, which I love. Thank you, Figma. And then we have the gold coin collect right here. Hopefully this isn't too crowded. It feels a little crowded to me. That's okay. We'll fix it. Okay. All right, and so we have everything, and now we're gonna export these. And we put them in our PlinkIdle folder. It's awesome. PlinkIdle. Where is it? Where's everything? Oh, it's backwards. We hate that. Okay. Assets. Art, sprites, and I think they're just floating in here. Yeah, they're there. And so when I save them, it'll replace the existing files. And now when I go into the game, I should see these new things. And I want to make sure the input actions actually match and that I'm remembering correctly. All right, we're compressing right now or something. I don't know what it's doing. Engineer things. Okay. Compiling, that's the word I wanted. Just ignore me, please. Now the hotkeys work. I am using the arrow keys to do this. We love that. There we go. And then I see gold coin collect. Gold coin collect. That means that the new stuff worked. And then I kind of want to check the input actions and make sure I wasn't lying. I bet I was lying with the gamepad at least. So we go to game. These are all custom input actions that our engineer added. But I can, as a designer, I can come in and just like change them so that their bindings are different. And so, why don't I see it? Did I not get latest? Did I not get latest? Okay, let's stop that. Let's go to GitHub. Let's fetch. I did get latest. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. Am I just crazy? Is it player? No. UI. I don't know where it is. We're just gonna hit play. I don't have a gamepad to test this on anyways. And I'm gonna forget. And there's gonna be a bug in the game forever. Alright. Now I hit spacebar. I can use our cheats menu to spawn a golden coin. And now I hit, oh, it worked. I hit shift and it worked. That's awesome. Cool. Yay. Okay, now this is where I zone out and accidentally play the game for too long without remembering what I'm supposed to be doing. Nope, get. Yes, okay. I think we're good. Oh, yes, okay. Those tilt buttons, pretty helpful. And now they're on hotkeys, which makes them 1,000 times more helpful. We love that. Okay, so we're gonna kill this. And then I have to sync with our engineer and be like, how do I change the bindings for the things? I didn't see it in the list, and that's my next task. Thank you for watching. Bye.